In a world where TikTok investors turn $20 into $2 and crypto bros scream, "buy the dip," while holding ramen noodles for dinner, one question still echoes through the minds of everyday people. How the heck do I invest in 2025 without getting burned? Yeah, we've all seen the flashy Lambos, the financial freedom Instagram reels, and the crypto charts that look like they've been through a roller coaster designed by a drunk engineer. But behind the chaos, some strategies actually work. Quietly, consistently. No hype, no clout chasing, just cold, calculated moves that keep growing your money, year after year. So today we're going to pull back the curtain. Not on pipe dreams, but on real investment approaches that are crushing it in 2025. And spoiler alert, it's not just about buying Apple stocks or praying to the crypto gods. Let's rewind a bit. Investing used to be simple. You worked, you saved, you dumped your money into a savings account earning 2% a year, if you were lucky. Fast forward to 2025, and we're living in a financial jungle. AI is trading faster than humans blink. Real estate feels like playing Monopoly in real life, but with higher taxes and meme coins. They're basically lottery tickets wrapped in FOMO. So what do smart investors do now? The truth is, successful investing in 2025 isn't about chasing the latest hype. It's about adapting timeless principles to a new financial era. Because while markets change, human behavior doesn't. People still panic sell. People still buy high, sell low, and trust influencers over actual research. But the winners, they play a different game. They're the ones who've realized something crucial. It's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market, paired with tools that didn't even exist 10 years ago. We're talking automated portfolios, fractional shares, AI-assisted research, and access to global markets with just a smartphone. But even with all this tech, the human brain is still the biggest asset and the biggest liability, because every strategy that works in 2025, it only works if you do. Consistency is sexy now. Diversification is cool again. And doing your homework, that's the new flex. Let's get real. Most people don't lose money because the market is bad. They lose money because they're impulsive, distracted, or worse, influenced by Chad on TikTok who said, "Put it all in this coin, it's going to the moon." Spoiler, it didn't go to the moon, it went to zero. Smart investing in 2025 is about having a one-eye system. Not vibes, not FOMO, not some guy on YouTube yelling at a chart like it owes him rent. It's about setting rules, sticking to them, and making peace with the fact that you're not going to double your money every week. And that's okay. Because the people who win in the long run, they're not chasing quick wins. They're building a life. Imagine this. It's 5 years from now. Your money's not in some volatile hype train. It's growing steadily. You've got ownership, control, peace of mind, not because you followed a trend, but because you followed a strategy that made sense for you. That's what actually works. In a world obsessed with fast money, the smartest play is often the slowest one. So next time you see a thumbnail screaming, "Turn $100 into $10,000 overnight," ask yourself, do I want to gamble or do I want to grow? Because in 2025, real investing isn't about luck, it's about strategy. And the ones who get it, they're already way ahead of the game. Fade out, logo appears, subscribe button pops up. And remember, if someone promises you 100x returns overnight, run, or at least walk away while holding your wallet tightly.